Hi, Ryan from Clancy's Ag. Today I'm going to be doing a short instructional video on how to assemble our universal 3-piece seats, fitting a wide range of tractors. The kit will come in 4 pieces. You'll receive a backrest, a seat base, the seat frame, a set of bolts, and for assembly, all you'll need is a 1/2" open-ended ring spanner and a 1/2" socket. Now we're unpacked, first thing we're going to start on is the base. What you first need to do is get 4 of the bolts and just tighten them finger tight into the base. What this allows us to do is it allows us to insert them quite easily into the keyhole slots on the base. Once they are in, we simply line them up with the bottom of the mounts, and then we just lift it up and we just start to tighten them finger tight. If you so wish, when we actually get to the point of tightening them, you can either use a socket or you can just use a open-ended ring spanner. Once you have them finger tight, just a bit easier just to get a socket. Now, this base does slide. Nice tip is to make sure that this is pushed all the way forward, just using this lever, just to give yourself some extra clearance on the bottom brackets. And then next we just want to do the same, but with the top. For this, because I'm going to be using this to install onto the machine, I'm going to leave the plastic on and just put the bolts through, and I'll tear the plastic off at a later stage. Once again, we're going to simply insert it into the holes on the back. And then get it ready to mount. As before, you'll notice there are 4 mounting points. These slots enable the top bolts to fall into place, so all we need to do is line up the bottom keyholes. This is the part where you'll definitely need your open-ended spanner to tighten. Now I'll bring this over just to give you a better look at the back before I continue to tighten. As you can see, the stud has come through and just dropped down, and in the bottom you can see the keyhole where it has dropped down. And so now all we're going to do is tighten these 4 using our ring spanner, and just making sure that we get these as tight as possible. So now we've got our back on, our base is nice and tight, we're ready to install this onto the machine. As you can see, our seat's in pretty dire need of replacement. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off and we're going to put our universal seat on using the existing tractor mounting points. So now we're just finishing to tighten this off with our socket, and we'll be good to go. So there you have it, a very cost-effective way to improve the ride of your machine. The beauty in these seats lies in the multi-fit base, meaning it fits a multitude of applications, so it's very likely it'll fit your tractor. Also, the fact these seats are adjustable from 60 to 120 kilograms means that the operator will ride in comfort no matter who's using the machine. If you have any questions, please drop us a line at Clancy's Ag. There'll also be links below where you can purchase the seats. Thank you.